So good morning everyone once again, and this is a very short video. It's an extra tip here for when we have to learn anything or when we want to achieve anything. And the thing is that motivation is key to achieve whatever. What does it mean? What that means is that you need to keep motivated. How can we do that? For example, when we are preparing for the listening part of the Fachhochschulreife, it's extremely easy. Just grab a piece of paper and keep tabs. Keep a record of your success. Like, for example, we have already said before that the exam, the listening comprehension, sorry, consists of a total of 15 points. Then you do your exams here, you do your training, and you write down, easy like that, how many points you have achieved. So today I achieved 10 out of 15. Tomorrow I will achieve 12 out of 15. The day after tomorrow I will achieve 13 out of 15. Why is that? That's because our brains, they need the motivation. Every time that you succeed in something, your brains actually release endorphins, and you need that because that makes you feel good, and we tend to repeat what makes us feel good. So you know that already. Motivation is everything. Keep your tabs. Have a lovely afternoon. See you later.